People tend to have lots of questions about non-invasive body contouring. Yes, liposuction body tight is always going to work the best, but some people don't want to have surgery. So what are your other options? Unfortunately, not everybody is one size fits all. So we like to employ multiple different modalities and different types of technologies to give you the best option available. The first treatment available for body contouring externally was Coolsculpting, and that uses cold. What we do with that is we take a handpiece which sucks onto the skin, pulls the skin and fat into the device, freezes the fat, and then the fat dies and eventually goes away. Coolsculpting is very useful in areas such as underneath the chin. We can use it for bra fat, arm fat through here, as well as the belly, the flanks, bra fat, outer thigh, and inner thigh. And Coolsculpting, while it's very effective, doesn't work well on what we call flat fat. So let's say somebody who has a little bit of extra fat on the anterior thigh, or who has a very flat belly and just a thin layer of fat everywhere. So if you have that type of fat, we often move over into the Evolve trim. That uses heat and suction to suck up the skin and uses heat to actually kill and damage the fat cells underneath, as well as providing a little bit of tightening. And that tends to work better in these flat areas. Sometimes people actually don't have problems with fat at all, and they just have loose skin. In those people, we need to think about skin tightening. And what are our main options for that? The first option is thermage. Thermage uses radio frequency in a very kind of intense way and can actually be used to help saggy bellies, help to lift buttocks, and has actually been shown to improve cellulite as well. Another technique that we have to help bodies just the loose skin is Forma. Forma uses a large plane of radio frequency where we go like this, and we go over all of the areas. That does require several treatments, but can be very effective in treating things like legs, bellies, and arms. We have a newer technology called Evolve, where we take that same concept of the Forma, and instead of going over the area like this, we hold it in a fixed place. That also very nicely delivers radio frequency and can help to shrink and tighten the skin that's there. The next layer of things that we want to think about with body contouring is muscle. So we want to start with a strong core if we look at a belly. So some people are already in really good shape and they want to kind of take that to the next level. And we can do things like myosculpt or tone to help to tone those muscles. And you can treat the belly, you can treat the obliques or the side of the belly, the arms, the legs, and the buttocks, not just to give a little bit of lift, but maybe get a little bit of height there as well. The advantage to all of these procedures is that there is no downtime to them. There's very little risk involved because it's all from the outside. You're not having any swelling or bruising or anything like that. And we can work on addressing all the different levels of your skin, fat, and muscle to give you the best body that we can give you. When I look at external body contouring, I think of a concept of total sculpt. We want to address every single layer that we can to totally sculpt your body and give you the best result possible. Muscle, fat, and skin totally together gives you the best.